Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to show you guys a few websites that you can use to get free Udemy courses and coupons and stuff like that. So the first one I got is Real Discount, and it's basically it's a new site. I think they've got different ones for different languages and stuff like that. If you go down to coupons, it'll bring you here, and you can see obviously you've got a few here. Learn some stuff. We've got Python, C#, Python 3, and then so if you wanted to do this, it will take you to Udemy and it will apply the coupon. Obviously this one is expired, but I recommend you choose one that isn't expired. You might have to go for a few, but eventually you'll find one that isn't expired. A lot of these will be though, because these go quick. The second option is to torrent Udemy ones. I mean, it's likely that when you're finding a torrent for something online, there might be some issues with copyright. So just be careful if you are using a torrent client. Make sure that you use a VPN if you're going to be doing any of that stuff. Not that I endorse it, just educational. And then free course site is another one, freecoursesite.com. It's got free some things on here that you can learn. I'm not sure whether or not these are Udemy specific, but a lot of these are Udemy courses. Discount Udemy, which is discudemy.com, is another one for active coupons. For you can see the most used coupons in the last couple of days. Very cool site. And then udemyfreecourses.com. And this you can search, and there's also ones here. I think these are unpaid ones, but again, check out the site. And then smartybro.com, don't really know much about this, but it's just another one to get free courses. And then udemyfreebies.com, which again is just another free one. As you can see, some coupons here, and you can see where they've been added today. And then geekscott.com, which is just a few other coupons. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks you for watching, and I'll be back again with another video sometime soon. I've been quite busy at the moment, but I'm going to try and get a few more videos out on the channel. Yeah, thank you guys for checking this one out, and I'll see you guys soon.